So may nag-comment, "Kuya, nag-Freedom Trail kayo sa Boston?" Oo, kuya, nag-Freedom Trail kami kaso hindi natapos. Part 1 lang yung natapos namin. Yung part 2 hindi na namin pinuntahan kasi medyo malayo. Tsaka hindi ko na sana i-upload kasi nag-comment si kuya. Pagbigyan natin kuya. Ito na, i-vlog ko na. Pag-start tayo sa Boston Common, dito ang public park. It is the oldest city park in the US. Itinatag noong 1830 pa na may lawak na 50 hektarya. Ang sarap nga dito mag-jogging, lalo na mag-family picnic, date, pwede rin tumambay dito mag-isa. Kung di ka pa nakapag-move on, di ba, ani? Pero ang nagpa-excite sa akin dito ay ang mag-jogging. Nakalimutan ko nga, may Freedom Trail pa pala kami. Ayun, pinauna ko muna siya. Puntahan natin yung Massachusetts State House or the State House. Matatagpuan sa Bacon Street. Mapapansin ang Golden Dome ng State House designed by Charles Bulfinch, tinaguri ang third architect of the Capitol. Sa tapat ng State House, naka-display ang 54th Massachusetts Infantry Brave Men and Colonel Robert Goldshaw, the regiment commanding officer. May historical movie to, yung Glory, film 1989, is based on a true story para mas maintindihan nyo ang buong storya ng 54th Massachusetts Infantry Regiment. Hindi ko nasasabihin kung paano sila namatay ha. Galing naman sa public park, madadaanan ang Park Street Church. Third spot natin, Granary Burying Ground. Quick tour, some of the most famous graves in the Granary Burying Ground. Straight dito sa right side, Samuel Adams, 1722 to 1803. He's one of the revolutionary leader, also signed the Declaration of Independence. Nakalibing din dito ang parents ni Benjamin Franklin. Walk through James Otis, John Hancock, grave next Peter Fanuel, and Paul Revere grave. King's Chapel is one of the finest design of the noted colonial architect Peter Harrison and was designated a National Historic Landmark in 1960. Old South Meeting House, built in 1729. Old State House, ano ang nakatagong sikreto sa likod ng makasaysayang building na ito ay ang pagmasakar sa 5 civilian. Ginanap noong March 5, 1770. Dito mismo sa kinatayuan namin, nilagyan nila ng marker.
We have 11 out of 16.
Following this trail, I got companions there.
Faneuil Hall, way back in 1742, isa sa pinakamayaman na tao sa Boston ay si Peter Faneuil. Itinayo ang building na ito bilang regalo sa lungsod. So ano Prim, kaya mo pa? Paul Revere House, owned by the legendary patriots from 1770 to 1800, is the oldest remaining structure in downtown Boston. The Midnight Ride, Paul Revere, Old North Church, built in 1720 as Christ Church.
Last but not the least, Coops Hill Burying Ground is the final resting place of over 10,000 people.
Bye! Hanggang sa muli!